Texas law banning most abortions remains on the books. That's because the Supreme Court said no to a request from Texas abortion providers to freeze a Texas law. That law banning abortions as early as just 6 weeks. Our D.C. correspondent Bofta Yimam joins us right now. Good morning, Bofta. And this was a deeply divided Supreme Court ruling. Tell us about it.
Absolutely. That vote, that high court vote 5-4, with Chief Justice John Roberts joining 3 liberal justices in dissent. Now, the law bans abortions, and we know many women don't even know they're pregnant, Mike, until 8 weeks, until 10 weeks. So right now in Texas, it is illegal for those women to now go forward with an abortion. There was a line of women outside of many clinics just before midnight trying to get this done. This law prohibits doctors from conducting an abortion when a fetal heartbeat is detected and does not account for rape or incest. It's the tightest abortion restriction since the 1973 landmark decision, Roe versus Wade. That ruling declared women's constitutional right to end a pregnancy. During Wednesday's ruling, all 3 of former President Donald Trump's appointees voted with the majority to let the Texas law stand. After the law took effect, clinics across Texas made severe limitations in their services. Anti-abortion activists praised Texas for recognizing the child in the womb as a member of the human family. Meanwhile, President Biden called the law extreme and said it, quote, will significantly impair women's access to the health care they need, particularly for communities of color and individuals with low incomes. As the legal battles carry on, lawmakers and the administration continue to sound off on the decision. Take a listen.
It will significantly impair women's access to the health care they need, particularly for communities of color and individuals with low incomes. It also deputizes private citizens to bring lawsuits against anyone who they believe has helped another person get an abortion, which might even include family members, healthcare workers, front desk staff at a healthcare clinic, or strangers with no connection to the individuals. This further isolates individuals who are facing this tough choice.
The reality is that I think that as Black folk, we decide what we're going to do with our lives. And right now, what's happening is that people are being told what they can't do versus giving people an option of what they can do. And sadly enough, that is what we typically do in this country, is when it comes to minorities, we got to tell them what they can and can't do. We got to regulate minorities. But then when it comes to white folk, when it comes to something as simple as wearing a mask, they want to yell, we're infringing upon their freedom. Well, let me tell you something. You're infringing upon the freedom of women to choose and decide what they're going to do with their bodies.
Even pro-infanticide, pro-abortion groups will say that rape and incest are a very small percentage of, possible opportunities where people have wanted an abortion. So look, if you got a heartbeat, that works for James White in a hospital. If I have a heartbeat, people assume that I'm alive and so forth. And this is all this bill says. If you have a heartbeat, you're alive.
Now, Mike, this is not the end of it. There's no doubt about that. There will be legal challenges as this continues, but some, of course, are criticizing the high court, saying it would have made more sense to maybe delay for a moment, uphold the current Roe versus Wade more so, and lean in that direction and make sure that you don't go forward with this while this is being debated. But, of course, they did vote, and that vote was 5-4, as I mentioned.
Yeah, a lot of people aren't happy about that. But both, speaking of the timeline, some reports say 85 to 95% of women who do get abortions in Texas, they are at least 6 weeks into their pregnancy. So what are their options now?
So their options are really to cross state lines, to go to another state to get a constitutionally guaranteed option for their health care when it comes to the abortion. But we know that this also means, Mike, that they may not have the means to be able to go to another state, to be able to take time off of work, to be able to finance certain things that may be involved in all of this. They may not have the family support. And I've got to mention, of course, we're in the middle of a pandemic. And so you factor all of these these things, and it's going to be a struggle for many folks, particularly those in underserved communities, Mike.
And you just don't want to even think about the legal procedures. You want to go back to the archaic days of what used to be before Roe versus Wade. Bofta Yimam live for us in D.C. Thank you for starting your day with us. Always great seeing you.